Okay, good morning, class 10th. Ready for the new chapter? We have done with the metals and non-metals. Now we'll be starting chapter number 15, that is our environment. It's a very simple chapter as the name indicates, environment, our environment. Had we been in school, so you would have taught it in the class. Few of the students, usually when I teach this chapter, it is the students used to come and deliver a lecture. But now, as we are stuck up because of this corona, and it's a very easy chapter. I'll just give 2 to 3 videos. It's about food chains, food webs, our activities, our environment pollution, ozone layer. वो सब चीजें जो already आप पहले भी कर चुके हैं. Just take 2 videos and I will complete this chapter. Generally in this environment क्या होता है? What is our environment? We have heard this word environment many a times from our elders, from our relatives, from teachers, from other people. Environment खराब हो गया जी. Why? What do you mean कि environment जो 50 साल पहले था और अब जो है बड़ा pollute हो गया. We have been listening this since long and we have been just listening and doing nothing. And we are the one who have been creating waste and polluting our environment. And there are in previous chapter you have done biogeochemical cycles. Now the main topic is what happens when we add our waste to the environment. कोई भी तरह का waste जब environment जाता है तो obviously that waste degrades. अब उस waste को पढ़ने के लिए first we should know the waste is of 2 types. Biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. I think you have done this before. You might be relevant with the word biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The waste which is easily broken down in nature by different bacteria or germs in the soil or air, that type of waste is called biodegradable and doesn't take much time to mix into the soil without harming the natural resources like air, water and soil. That is biodegradable. And the non-biodegradable waste is that which does not decompose into the soil and remains as such in the atmosphere for many years. For rather a plastic or a polythene take millions of years to mix up in the soil, and they cause harm not only to the living organisms like animals and also to the air, water and soil, and in return that all toxicity comes from the soil into the plants and via to the humans and animals. So in our daily activities, it's given here, it's an activity also to perform, collect waste materials and then see how much long they are going to take. And they have also given us an experiment here to in the life processes when we were doing digestion. In spite of having so many enzymes in our body, every food material was digested and then even waste was created. If we take the outer covering of the plant which is made up of cellulose and we are unable to digest and it acts as a fiber and is out in the excreta, it means there is something lacking in our body which is unable to digest some amount of the food we eat and that becomes waste, right? इसलिए कि कुछ it is written here, why we will get energy, we will try to eat coal. कोल से भी तो हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. when we burn coal, कोल से थर्मल प्लांट चलता है, कोल से ट्रेन चलती है, तो हम क्यों नहीं खा सकते? बिकॉज हमारे पास वो एंजाइम्स ही नहीं है जो कोल को डाइजेस्ट करें, राइट? इन द सेम वे ह्यूमन मेड मटेरियल्स लाइक प्लास्टिक्स, थर्मोकोल्स, सेलो पेपर्स, ये human made materials, they were not present in the nature as such. So these materials do not decompose by bacteria or saprophytes, और कोई भी इनको नहीं खा सकता और इनको तोड़ नहीं पाते, और अगर हीट करें तो ये मेल्ट होकर टॉक्सिक गैस निकालते हैं. सो बहुत टाइम लगता है इनको पेरिश होने में, एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द यूज़ एंड देन इनके यूज़ तो इंक्रीज हो ही जा रहा और ये पेरिश नहीं हो रहे. तो what is the result? Consequently, there is a heap of plastic and other non-biodegradable material in the atmosphere, which is in turn harming the nature and the environment. और उसी का नतीजा है इस इतने डेवलपमेंट का और इतनी पोल्यूशन हमने क्रिएट की है कि नाउ द कोरोना वायरस इज टीचिंग अस हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरनमेंट. वो उन्होंने हमें अंदर बंद कर दिया. वी हैव बीन शाउटिंग ऑल एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट टू सेव नेचर, सेव अर्थ, बट नो, Everybody had parting and using plastic and everything nonsense things, and now see the result. We are made forcefully to sit inside. We cannot go outside. So come on page number 257, second paragraph. Substances that are broken down by biological process are said to be biodegradable substance or waste as we call them. And इसमें लिखा हुआ हाउ मेनी ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस वर यू बरीड, ये जो एक्टिविटी आपने की है जो कि डिग्रेड होगा, यू ऑल नो दिस। कौन कौन से सब्सटेंस डिग्रेड हो जाएंगे? जैसे कपड़ा है कॉटन का, जो प्योर कॉटन का कपड़ा है जो कॉटन प्लांट से आता है वो हो जाएगा। पेपर हो जाएगा, वो भी प्लास्टिक कोटेड वाला नहीं, सिंपल पेपर। वेजिटेबल्स पील्स, फ्रूट पील्स, ये सब हो जाएंगे, राइट। बट इफ यू थ्रो प्लास्टिक, that will not, thermocol that way not, disposable जितनी भी items है not, okay। So we have to be very careful when we are using the plastic made things or thermocol and whatever। और वैसे भी वो पैकेट फूड्स भी हमें कम यूज करने चाहिए so that less waste is created। अब इसमें सबसे पहला है इकोसिस्टम। इकोसिस्टम में what are the components? ये 7th 8th में भी आपने किया था। बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक components makes the ecosystem। All organisms such as plants, animals, microorganisms, human beings as well as physical surroundings interact with each other and maintain a balance in nature। We, the animals, the microorganism, the land, the water, the air, इन सब का एक इकोसिस्टम बनता है जहाँ हम रहते हैं, चाहे हम पहाड़ों में रहें, प्लेन्स में रहें, पानी में रहें, there is an ecosystem। We'll take air, we take water, we eat animals, animals take oxygen from the plants, we also take oxygen, we give them carbon dioxide, and many of the animals die in the forest, that all the animals waste is mixed up into the soil by the bacteria or vultures or prey, birds of prey, उनको खा जाते हैं। So एक ecosystem है, food chain, कौन किसको खाता है, and that makes it। और उसके components क्या है? Biotic components and एबायोटिक। किसी भी इकोसिस्टम के बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स है और एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स है। बायोटिक कंपोनेंट में आएंगे ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट इज प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म। एबायोटिक में क्या आएगा? एयर, वाटर, सॉइल, सनलाइट, टेम्परेचर जो है, ये सारे के सारे आपके एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स आएंगे जो आपने 6th 7th में भी यहाँ पढ़ा होगा, ऑल ऑफ देम। So these all of them are interdependent। अब इनकी इंटरडिपेंडेंसी कैसी है? एबायोटिक और बायोटिक की जो भी इंटरडिपेंडेंसी है वो एक फूड चेन से बनती है, which you have done in lower classes, a food chain in which a primary producer is there, that is eaten by a primary consumer, that primary consumer is eaten by a secondary or final, or there is one more tertiary consumer जो आपने पढ़ा था, grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion। This we are going to do now in this chapter, food chains and food webs in details। अभी के लिए इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए this much is enough about biotic and abiotic। अब इनका आपस में इंट्रैक्शन क्या है, that is through food chains and food webs, that I'll do in the next video। Okay, bye bye।